All right, so there were some questions about seeing some example of lessons that were built in the planner. So I just wanted to click on some courses and let you guys see what it looks like for a student view in some of these different courses. So here is a first grade communication arts. You can see right now they don't have any deadlines, but these are some things that look like they need to be done. There's completed tasks over here that this fake student hasn't done any yet. You can hit show more to see the whole lesson, and then there's some more down here as well that we need to be looking at. So we can start with this one if we'd like. It has an audio recording.
In this lesson, you will learn how to read and speak.
That describes the lesson. It also seems like it has a video here.
Hi, first graders. This is Mrs. Kottner, and this video is to show you what you will be doing in this foundational literacy lesson this week.
So a video for them to watch. They can read the learning target of what they will be doing this week, some knowledge and skills. Here again is
letter, keyword, sound, drill. Watch the video for each.
Just giving the directions. Another built-in video here.
Here is an overview of what we will practice today. First, we will review all of the consonants.
Now this is a page feature that they use, that they've been using here. So it's got their audio, video. Here's some spelling, it looks like.
Spine. Spine. Spine is a vowel consonant E syllable word.
And they go through all of their spelling words like that. And then I believe over here is a place for them to practice some of their spelling maybe. Yep, so they can listen to the word being read to them.
Trade.
And then they can write it down on their paper. And then I think this has the correct spelling for them to then check.
To practice your spelling, let's go over your work and see how you did. If you made an error.
So this is a video that I guess they recorded. I don't know how they got their hand there, but maybe they have a dot cam or something, or they did something with their phone. And now here's some reading applications of that same practice skill that they practice, some writing applications of that same skill. And then this is just, did you complete this whole task, yes or no? So in first grade, it was pretty, there wasn't a huge amount of assignment work, I guess, that they had to actually like turn back in through itsLearning. I know they're collecting some work like via email still, I think. So here's some more. They've got, they're using a page feature, it looks like, quite a bit here in this first grade unit. And again, did you do this? So there's a first grade communication arts. We can go look at a math and 7th grade example. So again, they have their assignments. These 2 are overdue. These 3 are due tomorrow. These 4 don't have a deadline. You can click your way through the learning path here. Looks like they have a test to do for a due now. They have a video to watch, and this one is embedded, so you can just click play and start watching it. This one doesn't look like the embedding is working, but if you click on this link, it'll pop it open and you can watch it. And now it looks like they have an assignment where you're going to answer the assignment. It's going to make a copy of that, or it's going to show this document for them to look at here. So that'll populate where they'll look at that Google Doc and then answer their questions and hit submit. And then this is just another task. Did you do your ixL level? And then yes or no. And she would have to monitor that through ixL. Here's another high school example. This looks like it's American government. Description, learning targets, standards. Here is a handout that looks like that is maybe from a resource that they had already. This is a PowerPoint, it appears, that you can click through the slides. This is an assignment, so it's got a video built into it.
Last screencast we talked about the qualification.
And part 1, part 2, and you click answer assignment and you'll be answering those questions, I guess. And then you're finished. So that's an example of a government plan. And here is a 5th grade math lesson. It looks like they've got a couple of due dates here, some things that don't have a deadline on those assignments, so you can kind of organize your assignments on the side. You can click start on this first lesson. You can read the description of the lesson, the learning targets for that lesson. Looks like we have a warm-up.
All right, 5th grade, welcome to April 15th.
That looks pretty fancy. I'm going to say that was done with a dot cam or something. But this looks like a warm-up activity. And then we have the warm-up problem. So solve this problem. You can attach a picture of your work if you have it. You answer the assignment. If you need to see the assignment, you click show. Work your way through that. And now we have the lesson, which is 13-minute video.
Bye for friends.
We're again
75.
Working through a math lesson on a whiteboard. Has a picture of their anchor chart from the classroom attached. And then a test, it looks like. They set up a test for us to complete with questions and answers, and it looks like there's 6 questions. And if I remember correctly, they're going to give you some feedback on your answer if you give some answers, which I'm skipping here. And now we have some optional extensions, which is on a page, it looks like. So they use the page feature. You can go to Prodigy and play, which is like a math game place to go play. Not exactly, I guess this is another place where you can go do some stuff, some additional worksheets, some optional assignments. And you're finished with that plan as well. So those are just a couple different examples. I was trying to show you different grade levels and what they have. Here's another elementary example. I believe this is 3rd grade communication arts. So they read the directions.
Hi boys and girls. Today we will learn about
they have a movie, it looks like, to watch. This looks like a lesson that's also a video. So yeah, they did looks like a screencast where they recorded themselves with the lesson.
Next, we're going to talk
different
about
types of poetry. Oh, and they have 2 different teachers. So it looks like we've got, since we're logged in, we get to see both. But this is an example where they might limit, if they have 2 different groups, 2 different homerooms accessing the same course, they might limit this video would only go to the Greenstein group, and this video, well, I don't know if they need to both go to everybody, but this might go to Maury's group and the other one might go to Greenstein's group. Now we have homework here where you can hit answer assignment and look through this Word doc. So it looks as though this is going to create a copy of this document for me to enter my assignments in. So I can type in here. So this is an example of a Google Doc or a document that was attached and made to make a copy for every student. So they would type in here, and then when they submit that assignment, it would make a copy of that and record their responses to the teacher so they'd be able to see their work. This is optional extension. I guess they watched that video, I'm not sure. Oh, here we go. They can then answer this assignment. And again, it looks like another one where the Google Doc is going to be created, a copy of them to work in. And then that's it for that lesson. So I hope that's helpful, showing you some different types of the way that the plans can be used. And just a reminder, when you are building your plans, that everybody in the course can see the title, the dates, this description part. Everyone sees that start button, learning targets, and then it's not until we get here with the resources and activities that you can limit it to the different groups that you are delivering this content to. So just to keep that in mind when you're building your lessons. All right, good luck and thanks. Let us know if you need anything.